Hello, this is Jason, and I'm standing outside the Tak Bo restaurant, Chinese restaurant, and I saw on their menu that they have my favorite Americanized Chinese dish, which was General Tso's chicken. So I'm gonna try that, and it's got a thumbs up next to it. Hello, just one. Okay, I'll see here. I don't have General Tso's chicken.
Sour chicken?
General Tso's.
Yes, sir. General sour chicken.
And does that?
No rice, sir. You add rice.
Can I get the noodles? Fried noodles.
Fried noodle, yes, we have here.
Okay, let's see. Egg fried rice noodle. Okay, I guess the rice noodle.
Rice noodle, fried rice noodle, yes.
Yeah, and then
You want a drink? Yeah.
drink. How about Coke Zero and a water?
Coke Zero and water.
Yes. Thank you. Alrighty. Didn't get any rice. Maybe I'll add rice. We'll see how much food this is first. I'll pick you up when the food gets here. Alright, General Tso's chicken has arrived. Still waiting on some noodles, and I added a order of chicken, or not chicken, but just fried rice. So that should be on its way as well. Looks like it's a little spicy. Got some peppers in there. This is good, but it's not the way that I'm used to having it in America. Ours is usually breaded. This is not breaded. It's good though. I'm not complaining. Save the rest to eat over rice.
Yes, sir. This is
Okay.
fried noodle.
Thank you. Alright. It's the noodles. Very thin noodles. Let's try a little chicken with the noodles. It's like angel hair fried noodles. And when I added on the order of fried rice, he's like, "That's three orders, sir. That's too much." I'm like, "No, sir. I will eat it all." I'm a big boy. Meal this big though, it'll probably be my only meal of the day. I've been working out every day except Sunday. And the noodles are only $3. And I think the chicken was like $4. And the fried rice is about $3. I'll try a little soy sauce. Tasty. I think the rice is coming.
Fried rice ready, sir.
All right, thank you. don't know what this is. Is that egg? Yeah, it's egg. And there's egg in the rice too. And tomatoes. Never got tomato with my fried rice before. It's good. Here we go. That's how you do it. I think I need a fork. That's what it needed. Good food. I would eat here again. There's some other dishes I'd like to try though. Very good. That hit the spot. All right, I'll meet you up front with the total and the final verdict. All right, it was $13.74 and everything was delicious. I'd probably skip the noodles next time and just go with the chicken fried rice and maybe try another dish. But I mean, it was good, but I would like to try some of the other dishes they have. Maybe the Kung Pao chicken. All right, well, that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching and talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even